Hey, let's show everybody how you can speak without using your communication device. We like to use the Morse Code Translator app on my Android phone. Open it here. I press here. All right, Megan, why don't you tell me something? Quick, 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 quick. Okay, so I'm going to push the quick space. Okay, and then another space, okay. Long, quick, long, quick. Long, quick, long, quick, space. C, okay. Quick, long, quick, long. Quick, long, okay? Long, quick, long, quick. Long, quick. I can, okay, then space, I can, long, just a long space, Quick, long, quick, long space, T-A, Quick, long, quick, long, quick, T-A-L, long, quick, long, quick, long, quick, long space. I can talk. Yes, you can with Morse Code Translator app. Good job.